Do you want to make your truck stand out from the rest? You can upgrade it with a lift, a spray-in bed liner, or a tonneau cover, or add comfort to your ride with a custom leather interior, heat-blocking window tint, or paint protection film. Autoplex has you covered with our 4 Colorado locations. Stop into our showrooms where we have our most popular products on display. Autoplex is your one-stop shop for automotive upgrades. Financing options available. Check out our discounts and see everything we do at autoplexco.com.